Okay, 8 people are there. They are sitting around a square table. 4 people are sitting in 4 corners and they are facing the center, and 4 people are sitting in the middle of the side and they are facing. They are facing outside. Right? See, yesterday we have taken all the examples of all the people are facing center or all the people are facing outside. Means the example like which we solved yesterday, they're like all if there are 8 people, all the 8 people are facing outside the or all the people are facing center itu. But ಇಲ್ಲಿ there are some people facing outside and some people are facing center. Okay. In that case, we have to observe one thing. See, if there are 2 people, A and B. Okay. They are facing the same direction, right? Let's say there is a gap of some two people in the middle. Right? Now, in this is A and this is B. They are facing the same direction. Now, we can say that B is third to the right of A. Right? B is third to the right of A. In this statement, we can say in this case, we can say B is third to the right of A. Right? If B is third to the right of A, then A is third to the left of B. Right? If B is third to the right, then A will be third to the left. If A and B both are facing the same direction. Right? Means if both A and B are facing the outside and if both A and B are facing center, you cannot see the question on the screen. Okay, arrangement is done, right? Yes, okay. If arrangement is done, okay, you can just in such a way that I'll give some numbers. Let's say you start from 1. You start from 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right? You can start from position 1 and you can type what is the order you got in clockwise direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You can mention the name of the persons. In the positions 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Clockwise. There are some 4 or 5 questions. I'll take a question. Anyway, like getting the arrangement is what the important thing. Okay. Starting from position 1, it is Bharat, Harleen, Ramya, Ketan, Peter, Ali, Shikha, and okay. See, arrangement like, in all the arrangements, whoever is trying, if you, let's say if you start from Bharat, it can be in position 1 or it can be in position 2 or it can be in 3. But when it comes to the order, like, clockwise or anti-clockwise, it should be same. See, here one person starting from Peter. But here if you consider from Bharat, after Bharat we have Harleen and then Ramya, then Ketan, Peter, Ali, Shikha and Minal. Same arrangement. Okay, probably this is correct. Okay. So here if we observe this point, if A and B both are facing the center, then if B is third to the right of A, then we can say A is third to the left of B. Means two people are facing the same direction. Then if you swap the positions, then left will become right, right will become left. But if two people are facing the opposite direction, let's say A is facing north, but B is facing south. Here we can take the statement as B is third to the right of A. B is third to the right A. If B is third to the right of A in this case, then A is third to the left of B or right of B? Right of B, yes. So when two people are facing opposite direction, when two people are facing same direction, right will become left, left will become right. But when two people are facing the opposite direction, then left will become right and right will become left. Clear? That's the first point. Okay, I'll start from this. Bharat sits second to the right of Shika. Bharat does not sit at any of the corners. So Bharat does not sit at any of the corners means Bharat sits in the middle of the side. When Bharat sits in the middle of the side, second person from Bharat, see Bharat, if I am taking Bharat here, second person from Bharat means second person can be either here or here. Right? Second person from Bharat will be facing the same direction of Bharat. So same direction of Bharat means if Bharat is second to the right of Shika, then Shika should be second to the left of Bharat. Shika is second to the left of Bharat. Now Minal sits third to the right of Peter. Peter is not an immediate neighbor of Shika. Peter is not an immediate neighbor of Shika means we cannot take Peter in these two positions. Minal sits third to the right of Peter. Now we can take possible places for Peter. If I consider this is Peter, Minal is third to the right Peter. If this is Peter, third to the right of Peter, right of Peter is this side. 1, 2, 3. This should be Minal, but it's already position of Shika. We cannot take Minal there. Okay. Now, so one more possibility. If this is Peter, then third to the right. So if this is Peter, this will become right. 1, 2, 3. This is Minal. Minal has to come here. This is one possibility. This is one possibility. Or if this is Peter, if I take Peter here, then third to the right, this side, 1, 2, 3. This should be Minal, but this is already Bharat. So we cannot take Minal here. So if that is not possible for Minal, then we cannot take Peter in this position. One more position is left. Possibly Peter can be here. If this is Peter, then third to the right, 1, 2, 3. This should be Minal. It's two possibilities. If this is Peter, this is Minal. If this is Peter, this is Minal. Okay. Out of these two, I'll try with one possibility first. If we cannot complete that arrangement, then we will try with other possibility. Okay. Now I am considering this is Peter and this is Minal. And Minal sits third to the right of Peter. Now Peter is not an immediate neighbor of Shika. It is done. Ramya and Ketan are immediate neighbors of each other. Ramya does not sit at any of the corners. See, Ramya does not sit at any of the corners, means in this arrangement, Ramya has to sit in the middle of the side. Only one side is left, middle of the side. She cannot sit in the corners. Now this is Ramya. Ramya and Ketan are immediate neighbors. If this is Ramya, Ketan is immediate neighbor of Ramya, means one immediate neighborship is left here. Here I have to take Ketan because here it is already taken. We cannot take Ketan there. Right now. Harleen is an immediate neighbor of neither Peter nor Shika. See, Harleen is an immediate neighbor of neither Peter, means I cannot take Harleen here. I cannot take Harleen next to Shika also. In this arrangement, we cannot put the position for Harleen, which means this arrangement, Wrong. Now we will try the second possibility. Which possibility? The possibility of the position of Peter. Right? Position of Peter. Let's take the position of Peter here. Right? We had this possibility. If this is Peter, third to the right of Peter, we have Minal here. If this is Minal, next point, Ramya and Ketan are immediate neighbors, then Ramya does not sit in the corner. Means Ramya has to sit here. Ramya and Ketan are immediate neighbors. Means Ketan should be either to the right of Ramya or it can be to the left of Ramya. Ketan can be in any of these two possibilities. Now Harleen is not an immediate neighbor of neither Peter nor Shikha. Since Harleen cannot sex to Peter or Shikha, Harleen cannot be in these two positions. Then Harleen must be here. I have Harleen here. If this is Harleen, then I had two possibilities for Ketan. Ketan was either here or here. Now here, if Harleen has taken a position, we cannot take Ketan here. So this is the final position of Ketan. Now one more person is left, that is Ali. Ali has to sit here. This is the arrangement. If you start from Bharat, and if you take clockwise direction, clockwise means this, if you take Bharat's right side, then it should be Bharat, Harleen, Ramya, Ketan, Peter, Ali, Shikha, Minal. Okay, here we have questions. Question number 16, 17, 18, 19, you can say, I think. Okay, question number 16. Who sits third to the left of Ali? Third to the left of Ali is Bharat. What is the position of Peter with respect to Minal? Position of Peter with respect to Minal is third right. Third to the right, or it can be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, fifth to the left. It depends on the other option. It can be third to the right or fifth to the left. It depends on the option. Who will be second to the right of Ketan? Second to the right of Ketan is Harleen. Second to the right of Ketan is Harleen. 19. Who are immediate neighbors of Harleen? Immediate neighbors of Harleen are Ramya and Bharat. Who is sitting exactly between? No one is sitting between Peter and Ali. And 21, who are the immediate neighbors of Minal? Immediate neighbors of Minal are S and B. Aishwarya, please check after P. It should be U. I think it's not Y. Sorry, okay. Which one, okay, anyway, previous one is similar. I'll explain this. Eight persons. Okay, like similarly, those who are sitting in the corner are facing the center. Those who are sitting in the middle of the side are facing outside. These are facing center. These people are facing outside. Okay. P faces the center and sits third to the right of V. See, P faces the center. See, third position, if you take third position means either to the right of P or left of P. If you take third position, 1, 2, 3, either this should be third position, or 1, 2, 3, either this should be third position. Means the person P and the one who is sitting third position to the right or left of P will face opposite direction. Andre, if P is facing center, P's third position person will face the outside. Right? See, if two persons are facing opposite direction, then right remains right, left remains left. Means here P is third to the right of V means V is also third to the right of P. So this is P, third to the right means 1, 2, 3, this should be V. Right? T, who faces the center, is not an immediate neighbor of V. So facing center, immediate neighbor of V, I have two positions. So in these two positions, we cannot take T. So only one position is left for T, that is the other chord. Only one person sits between V and W. Only one person sits between V and W means here I have V. W must be either here or here. Two possibilities for W. One person between V and W. S sits second to the right of Q and Q faces the center. Right? See, Q faces the center. If I take Q here, second to the right, this position is there, but second to the right of Q, I have to take S. So if this is Q, second to the right, this is S. R is not an immediate neighbor of P. R is not an immediate neighbor of P means R cannot be in these two positions. So R cannot be in these two positions means W, I have taken two possibilities. W ಎರಡರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಕಡೆ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಈಗ ಇವೆರಡು ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ R ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ I have to take R here. So if this is R, then this is the final position of W. And one more position is left, that is for P, Q, R, S. This is T. T is done. U ಇರಬೇಕಲ್ಲ U. Okay. See, ನೀವು P ಇಂದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ clockwise ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ P ಇಂದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ clockwise. See, clockwise is the direction. And it should be P, U, T, R, S, U. Sorry. S, V, Q, W. Right. So ಕೆಲವರು anti clockwise ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಕೂಡ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. Yeah, P, U, T, R, S. So anti clockwise ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡಿದವರು ಯಾರು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ V, Q. Okay, this is also clockwise. T, Y, P, W. ಮೇನಕ ಸುತಾರ್ ನೀವೇನು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾರಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ, ಬಟ್ ಅದು ಆಂಟಿ ಕ್ಲಾಕ್ವೈಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. Right, we'll take the next set. Okay, yeah. B, D, H, E, A, C, G is one answer. A, C, G, E, H, E. Okay. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H are sitting around a square table. Square table. Four people are sitting in the corner. Four are sitting in the middle of the side. The one who sits at four corners faces the center. While the faces the outside. The first point. Two females sit in the middle of the side and two are at the corner. Means there are four male candidates and four female candidates. Two male candidates are sitting in the two corners and two are sitting in the sides, middle of the side. A sits second to the left of G and G sits in the middle of the side. G is in the middle of the side. And A sits second to the left of G. A is second to the left of G. You can take A. G sits in the middle of the, C sits fourth to the right to his wife. Right? Already yesterday I explained that if there are 8 members and if you're taking fourth position, means that is the opposite position. Fourth position is nothing but opposite position, which means C sits fourth to the right of his wife, means C and his wife are facing opposite to each other. Neighbor G means his wife cannot sit in these two positions. Right? His wife cannot sit in these two positions. Right? He cannot sit next to. She cannot sit next to A or G. Yeah? Now where I can take C's wife. See, I cannot take C's wife here. This position I cannot take C's wife because C's wife is sitting opposite to C, but this is the position which is opposite to G. Here I cannot take C's wife because this is opposite position of A, means there is only one possibility where I can take C's wife is here. This must be C's wife. C's wife is sitting opposite of C. Means if this is C's wife, C must be here. Right, this is C. Right, this is C. Next one. Next, B sits third to the right of her husband. B sits third to the right of her husband, and B does not sit at any of the corners. B does not sit at any of the corners means here only one position left for B. This is B. Right? Now B sits third to the right of her husband. B is third to the right of her husband means see, B is third to the right. Third position means third position of B and B will face the opposite direction. When it is opposite direction, which means B is third to the right of her husband, means her husband is third to the right of B. So A is third to the right of B and then B is third right, this position. Right? This is B's husband. Right? Only D sits between B and H. Only D sits between B and H means there is only one person sitting between D and H. Right? If you take D and H here, D and B and H, if this is B, here I have to take, like here I have G, either I have to take H here. Between B and H there is only one person and that is D, which means D is the wife of C. Here between B and H we got D who is wife of C. Now H is the husband of A. H is the husband of A means I am taking this is male, H is male. H is male and this is B's husband means B is a female. And here C is male. Right? I am taking circle for female and square for male. H is the husband of A. H is the husband. A is female. Right? Now here we got A and B are female candidates means H and G are male. Now in the corners we have to take one more person now. So till now positioning already ತಗೊಂಡಿರೋದು. We have taken A, we have taken B. We have taken A, B, C, D, H, G. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಉಳಿದಿರೋದು ಯಾರೀಗ? E is left. H is left. H is done. E, B, C, D, E, F. These two are left. Right? Now one more data illide ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ. E is a male. E is a male means now E, where should I take E? See, I cannot take this as E because if I take this as E, here I have already got in the corners I have already got one male candidate. If I take E, then this is also male candidate and this B's husband is also male. Means there will be three male candidates. Three male candidates will come in the corners. We should not do that. In the corners we have to take only two male candidates. It should be B's husband who is E. Means here we have a female candidate. This is F. Clear, right? Okay, any doubt in this?